Good morning, friends. Happy Friday to all of you. So, friends, I have breaking news today. Our lawmakers in the House of Representatives have just passed a brand new bill. This new plan would provide relief to Americans struggling to keep up with the rising gas prices. So, dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn what extra stimulus money is available right now. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Today, the House's Democratic majority overcame some internal opposition to pass legislation addressing high gas prices by cracking down on possible price gouging from oil companies. The bill was just approved along party lines in a vote of 217 to 207. 4 Democrats joined all Republicans in the chamber in voting against the legislation. The Consumer Fuel Price Gouging Prevention Act, introduced by Democratic Representatives Kim Schreier and Katie Porter, it would give the president the authority to issue an energy emergency proclamation that would make it unlawful for companies to increase fuel prices. It would also expand the powers of the Federal Trade Commission to investigate alleged price gouging in the industry and would direct any penalties towards funding weatherization and low-income energy assistance. During a hearing, Representative Frank Pallone, the chair of the House Energy and Commerce Committee, said, "The problem is big oil is keeping supply low, so prices and profits stay high. Now, I think that when the market is broken, that's when Congress has to step in to protect American consumers. And that's what this bill does." Oil executives previously testified before Congress to address concerns about their prices, but insisted it was the result of a larger forces, including supply and demand. The price gouging legislation faced stiff opposition from Republicans, who blamed the Biden administration's policies, including social spending, for inflation. Republicans also renewed calls for more domestic energy production. Democratic Representative Murphy broke with her party to join conservatives in voting against the measure, expressing concerns it didn't address the root of the price increases. The internal revolt came as Democrats are hoping to alleviate pain at the gas pump for consumers ahead of a consequential midterm election season. Though the legislation passed in the House, it faces a tough climb in the Senate. But Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer promised to bring the bill to the floor. So, my friends, do you think that there's price gouging from oil companies? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Lawmakers had discussed introducing other legislation to lower gas prices, such as measures codifying a federal gas tax holiday. Drivers across the state of Florida may see some relief from their wallets when fueling up at the gas pump, but it might not come until October of this year. A month-long gas tax break is being discussed as part of the state's budget currently under conference committee in the legislature. A final vote is expected in the next coming days. Currently, the gas tax in Florida is 26.5 cents a gallon. In order to suspend that fee for a month, $200 million of federal stimulus would be transferred to areas funded by gas tax revenue in order to offset losing the revenue for 1 month. That is what lawmakers will vote on soon. Prices at the pump are fluctuating daily, which makes it very difficult for low-income households to budget. 3 congressional leaders have proposed $100 energy rebate payments that would be sent to Americans during any month where the national average price is higher than $4 per gallon. The bill is called the Gas Rebate Act of 2022, and it was proposed by Representative Mike Thompson, John Larson, and Lauren Underwood. Other Washington Democrats have issued proposals. Representative Ro Khanna of California and Senator Sheldon Whitehouse of Rhode Island have both suggested raising taxes on big oil companies and paying rebates of roughly $240 per year for single filers and $360 per year to joint filers. Representative Peter DeFazio, a Democrat from Oregon, has also proposed a bill that would help millions of Americans financially. The Stop Gas Price Gouging Tax and Rebate Act would provide payments through taxing this year's profits on oil and gas. However, friends, right now, it is still unclear exactly how much these payments would be.
And I want to compliment Senator Stabenow for her leadership in this area and as she said, getting this done in a record amount of time. We're facing an infant formula shortage across the country, as we all know. Moms and dads in the most prosperous country on earth should never have to worry about their ability to obtain something as vital as baby formula. One of the most vital nutrition programs, the WIC program, provides formula to families in need across the country. These shortages have disproportionately impacted these families as it makes it more difficult to find formula on the shelves. This legislation will benefit every American family by ensuring formula manufacturers and regulators are always prepared to respond to any shortages or supply disruptions, and by providing more flexibilities to USDA and states in helping parents meet their children's nutritional needs. Our bill has the support of the National WIC Association and more than 250 other groups across the country, and most importantly, the support of 100 senators, which we're very proud of. I want to again give a special shout out, a special thanks to Senator Stabenow and her staff, my staff, who worked very hard to get this done, and then also to the Majority Leader, Senator Schumer, for again pushing this through. As Senator Stabenow said, I think this truly is a record amount of time and great collaboration amongst the House and the Senate, and really is a very, very good example as to how we need to collaborate more. With that, I yield back.
Friends, the key word for this video is North Carolina. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is North Carolina, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword from a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Friday.